tray started up and warming up, feeling some air pressure. I think it just went off. Doing some corn. We're done with beans, first crop beans at least, and well, I'm gonna go down and run the other grain cart. We got two combines. The second combine just went down to get started on corn. So taking the old gray down there. Haven't had this all bean harvest basically. We got to fix the door latch, but it's all good to go. This truck's a beast, I tell you. Now I'm here to unload the carts. We ain't gonna be harvesting today, it's way too wet, but we're just gonna get everything empty and get ready for Monday. My brother's gonna be pulling up here in old gray. He was hammered down. We're loading. Got my brother up there. Here, and we're coming back to a field that was way too wet this morning. Field was too slimy. We tried going to another field, but the moisture was like 23%, so got out of that field, and now we're here back in some bottoms ground. I got the truck down here. It made it through. So there's one spot we were trying to avoid up there because I think it's way too wet for the truck to go through. But if you stay on the grassier spot and come through here and don't let down, you'll get it. But oh boy. But I haven't got a load yet because we've been trying to find fields, and the other combine's going up in a bigger area, so that field is dry enough, and they got 5 other trucks going there, and then we'll have to take 2 off to come down here later. But the old 95 made it down here, gave it a little wash job, washed off the paint. Needs a nice polishing of the aluminum, but I ain't gonna do that. That's too much work. But there's the combine. Well, almost good afternoon here, but taking the equipment, moving it west, going to Stylesville. So I'm taking the 943 out there. Already been in an eventful day for me, but because my car broke down last night, so I had to work on that. It's perfect, just perfect. I'm gonna check the weather in a second. But going out to Stylesville. We've been on corn for a couple weeks, but all the beans are done. We got 100, a little over 100 acres of double crops that still got to get out after we're done with corn. Should hopefully be another, I say, a week till we're done. Well, that ain't the field. I'm a dummy. Ooh, she needs some oil. That should be good for today. Oh, ow. Sweet. Got death all over the place. What was that for? We're away. Flip the lever so we can put the auger in the storage positions. I'm gonna take it down the road. It's kind of sticking out the side. We'll untarp this thing real quick, so I don't have to later. Put our flashers on and our strobe lights, and now that's a nice Corvette. Lordy, real nice. But then we're off. Look at that corn, it's pretty tall. Dang. It's about as tall as a grain cart. Jeez. There's some tall corn. Hopefully it does good. But running the cart here for a little bit. I don't know if I'll be getting a truck or not later, but we'll see. I don't mind either. But